Halloween costume with a knife and the SWAT team, yeah. Don't you forget your phone. Oh, Clara, crazy Hera, just a girl in the modern era, yeah. Sometimes the boys and girls, they tease her. She only wears the clothes that please her, yeah. And she don't mess around in girly colors. She's the ringleader of all those fellas, yeah. She's not a tomboy, she's just Clara, just a girl in the modern era, yeah. And some people say she's a boy pretender, but she's too young to know her gender, yeah. Oh, Clara, crazy Hera, just a girl in the modern era, yeah. Superhero like Spider-Man, she has no fear, oh yeah. And she likes Pikachu and Charmander. She is a boss baby and you can't command her, yeah. Oh, Clara, beautiful Clara, just a girl in the modern era. Oh, Clara, beautiful Clara, just a girl in the modern era, yeah. Holiday Inn. I got a room for the weekend. I've come a long way from home. It's been a long day along the straight and narrow highway, and I forgot where I'm driving from. Teenage girl on the rollerblades, old man relaxing in the shade. He sits as if he waits for someone. I hear a song in my head, it's on a loop and I'm trying to get some meaning of these words. I'm staying at the Holiday Inn. I got a room for the weekend. I've come a long way from home. Guess it's a long way, guess it's a long way, guess it's a long way to go. Speaking loud and low voice, he's a talker and she's a listener, and I'm dropping in mid-sentence when he says, I never understood why someone would try to kill two birds in one stone. That's when I'm so out of here. I'm staying at the Holiday Inn. I got a room for the weekend. I've come a long way from home. Guess it's a long way, guess it's a long way, guess it's a long way to go. Maybe I'm speaking in tongues, maybe I'm speaking in tongues, maybe I'm speaking in tongues all the way. Maybe I'm speaking in tongues, maybe I'm speaking in tongues, maybe I'm speaking in tongues all the way. Sit on the floor, putting things into boxes, like I know where it's gonna go. Your trophies and trinkets, well, they got me thinking that your life was one hell of a show. What am I supposed to do with the feelings I have for you? Inside this empty room, in the ashes and dust, all that's left here is love. It's bigger than both of us, and that is enough. Collections of books and your folders of photos, I loaded them into my car. Your quilt and your old clothes I gave to the Goodwill, 'cause keeping them here is too hard. What am I supposed to